Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to design and use a custom pattern. First, open the image that you want to use as a pattern. Make sure that the background is transparent. Go to Edit, and then choose Define Pattern. Name your pattern anything you like. Create a new document. Next, go to Edit, and then Fill. Choose Pattern under the Contents drop-down. Now browse your pattern. And then choose Random Fill. Then click OK. Now you can play around with the settings in the Random Fill window. Once done, click OK. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.